In this video, we're looking at the portfolio update of Lilu. Lilu is one of the famous super investors that I follow. It is the middle of February and it is possible to see what super investors bought or sold during the fourth quarter of 2022. And I know that Lilu is long-only investor. He has a very concentrated portfolio. Watching his lectures, I know that one of his core ideas is that we're buying not a piece of paper, but a piece of the business. And we should analyze stocks like a business. So he has only several stocks. So in this video, we're looking at his portfolio and we will look at his main addition in the previous quarter. He added Google. Seth Klarman, one of the famous super investors that I follow, also added Google in his portfolio in the previous quarter. So we will look how the portfolio of Lilu looks like after the purchase, at what approximate price Lilu added his shares of Google, and then in the end we will look at some of the numbers of Google. Previously we used two valuation metrics. In this video we will also use another method, the free cash flow multiple method. So let's get started. First of all, if you want to get updates about the portfolios of super investors, Lilu, Seth Klarman, Ray Dalio, Terry Smith and many others, you can subscribe by pressing the subscribe button under the video. Okay, so let's look at the current portfolio of Lilu. So this is the portfolio after the fourth quarter. We can see that he has only 6 stocks. So technically he has 6 stocks, but Alphabet has 2 classes of shares, Class A shares and Class C shares. So Lilu bought both classes of shares. So he has only 5 stocks in his portfolio. And during the recent quarter, he made a significant addition of Google stock. So after the purchase, if we combine Class A shares and Class C shares, almost a quarter of his portfolio is in Google stock. So a very high conviction bet. We don't know the exact price Lilu paid for Google stock in the previous quarter, but we know that the minimum price during the previous quarter was close to $83 per share. So it is very likely that he bought even higher, but this was the minimum price. So previously we used two valuation metrics. We used free cash flow yield method and we used discounted earnings per share method. According to these metrics, the stock was around 30% undervalued. If we use another method, if we use the free cash flow multiple method, so according to analyst projections that I was able to find for Google, the free cash flow in 2 years will be close to 84 billion. Their current free cash flow multiple, this is trailing 12-month free cash flow multiple, is around 22. So again, this is trailing 12-month free cash flow multiple, market cap divided by free cash flow. So it's around 22. So let's make the projections. Again, if free cash flow in 2 years is around 84 billion, if we use the free cash flow multiple of 22, the projected market cap is close to 1.8 trillion. The current market cap is 1.2 trillion. So this represents around 53% upside. So according to this method, the stock offers around 50% upside, and the fair value of the stock is close to $140 per share. So a very significant upside from the current price of around $94 per share, which is the current price at the moment of writing the video. So Google's current valuation, their future growth rate, and their wide unquestionable moat may be one of the reasons why Lilu decided to add his position in Google in the previous quarter. Also, if you want to know more about other purchases of Seth Klarman, here's the video. If you are not subscribed to the channel, you can just by pressing the button right here. You will not miss a single new video. Thank you very much for watching till the end and see you in the next video.